Where you going? Say hi to Grandpa Mac and Grandma Ann. This is Bruiser. What you doing, bud? Whoa! Sneeze and fall over. Whoa! Good job. Achoo. Okay. Where are you going? Are you going to take a nap now? You're getting sleepy?